In this video, I'm going to talking about how to edit the navbar, and we have to copy the code from the bootstrap. So what we have to do, we have to search bootstrap 4.6. I recommend bootstrap 4.6 because there are some bugs in the bootstrap file. So I recommend bootstrap 4.6. It is a stable version of the bootstrap. So we have to open the bootstrap link, and I had given one link in the description of linking the bootstrap. Do download it. And what we have to do, we have to go in the components, and in the components we can see the navbar. What we have to do, we have to copy the code. This is the output of the navbar. We will copy it and we'll paste in the VS code, and I will tell you how to edit the code. This is the link. Do download it, and we have to paste it in the body tag. So we'll paste, and first I will give you the output. What is the output? So this is the output. Then I will see, so suppose here is the navbar. So what we have to do, if you want navbar or if you want another name, what you have to do, you have to go in the VS code. Here you can see it is here given navbar. So what we suppose I will write here Dhruva. So what it will show, it will show Dhruva, you know that. Then we can edit. So we will edit the another component. So we will edit the drop down. So here you can see it is the drop down. So suppose if you are making the cake shop website, so we can write here latest cakes. Then here do the action, another action, something else here. First doing the action, we can write here suppose beautiful cakes. In the another we will anything we will write. Now in the output you can see it is the drop down, and in the drop down here you can see there is one horizontal line. It is called as drop down divider. So we'll copy and paste it before the beautiful cakes. So here is a beautiful, I will copy it, shortcut Control C. Before the beautiful cakes I will paste it. After the beautiful cakes I will also paste it, and we will see it in the. So here you can see there are the drop down divided before the beautiful cakes, after the anniversary. So there is a disable link, so we will delete it. You can see here it is disabled, I think li tag, so we have to delete the li tag. Delete. Then this is okay, so it is deleted. So now we will see how to color the navbar. So what we have to do, and we have to delete after the expand LG. So and we have to give another style called background color. You can give any background color. So now it is looking perfect. So thank you for watching. Do like, share, comment and share it to your friends. Until then, bye bye.